Alright, hi guys, welcome again to my channel. Today I will be showing you how to download Ben 10 Undertown chess for free. Let me show you the game first. Ben 10 Undertown chess. I don't know, but I think the game isn't in here in the Play Store. So let me show you it on Google. Let's wait a little bit. Wait. Alright, it's not here too, so let's not waste time and let's get this started. If you don't have this application, I will show you how to download it now. First, the step 1. If you have Chrome, Google, anything from them, tap on them. Then then write number 7. That's in Aptoid version 7. Alright, there's a lot of versions here, but there's only one version on this, all of those ones. There's one up before the videos go, and it's written here up, download Aptoid version 7.0.9 free Android. So if you have Android phone or Android tablet, tap on it. But it wouldn't work on ISO 8. Oh, something went wrong. Wait a minute. It works only on Android because it is written here Android. It not work on iOS or iPhone or iPod. It not work on it. So who have Android, tap it. Now this OP is Android. No thanks. Its size is 18.58 megabytes. And package name sm.aptoid.bt. And there's a lot of things if you want to download. There's Minecraft demo, Google Play, Clash Royale, anything you want. And you can search too up. And this store all up to down. You can just press download and press OK, but I wouldn't download it because I downloaded before. Okay, then let's download the game and play Ben 10. No, thanks. Thanks. Alright, so, right, Ben 10 under. Alright, we don't want to write undertown. We write only Ben 10. Alright, there's a lot of there it is, Ben 10 undertown chess. And you can install it. But I installed from this store before, but it didn't open. You have to install it from this store that's called Modeebek. Press install and it will download it. It will be a good game. Let me show for you the pictures of the game first. You play as Ben 10, Rook, and Ben 10 you can transform to 2 alien forms in this game. There are a lot of versions. Press install to install the game. Let's wait a minute. And guys, there is something I didn't tell you about it. If you want Ben 10 up to speed for free, it's 2 here, but you have it from market 88005. And just to tell you, and there's 2 games, free games, and there's new games too. And there's Ben 10 Ultimate Alien X Xenodrome. It's not on the Play Store. So if you want to download it from here, download it. You will find all the games you wanted for Ben 10 here. But I think on Ben 10 Warfare Psychobus, I didn't find it. So those the games are in this store. You do have Ben 10 Omniverse Game Generation 4D. You have the free one and the demo one. You get them too. So, let's see the game. Let us see the game. 41. It wouldn't take time. So let's wait a little bit, but I wouldn't let you wait a lot because we don't want to waste time. Alright, it's so close. It's 59. Now it's 60. So let's see. It would take a little bit time. Okay, it's now on 72. Now 74 I think. So let's wait a little bit. Okay, it's so close. 84. You have to wait a little bit more. Alright, 91. It wouldn't take time, so I wanna let you wait a lot. Okay, the game downloaded and he is saying for me, do you wanna install this application? Alright, so install it. I wouldn't let you wait. So the game has installed, so let's open it and see. Okay. And that's how you download the Ben 10 Undertown chess. Let me preview the game first. Play Ben 10 Omniverse Undertown chess. The story. You jump, swipe up, swipe down to, then jump down. You will take a Ben Omnitrix points, because if you lose, these points will help you review yourself again. But this version of this game is hacked. This version is hacked. So you don't need to collect them at all. So guys, I hope you like this video. Subscribe to the channel. Please subscribe to the channel, leave a like and a comment. And see you on the next video, and goodbye. But you know what the next video will be? The next video will be about Ben 10 Undertown Chaz. I will be playing the game parts. Please, when I upload this video, watch it and subscribe to the channel and leave a like, and goodbye.